Good evening, dear kids. Today I am taking your same, that is chapter 10th. Problem number 8, we have a quadrilateral ABCD is drawn to circumscribe a circle. Prove that AB plus CD is equal to AD plus BC. First, we'll draw a circle और उसके ऊपर एक quadrilateral. So that will be circumscribe, जो हम लोग का सर्कल के ऊपर क्वाड्रिलेटरल रहता है. ओके, आई विल नेम दिस एज ए पी बी सी डी क्यू आर एस. Okay. Now for this I'll teach you one property, that is, अगर ये सर्कल है और यहाँ एक पॉइंट आउटसाइड P से दो टेंजेंट्स आ रहे हैं उसी सर्कल पे, then this tangent will be equal to this tangent. Okay, getting my point? So we can say that the length of tangents drawn from an external point of the circle are equal. So if I name this as A and this as Q, so you can say that AP is equal to QP. Clear? In the same way, you will notice here that from D point there are two tangents, DS and DR. So can I write DR is equal to DS? You can also notice that from C point there are two tangents, that is CR. Can I write CR and CQ are also equal? Because these are the tangents from an external point of the circle and those tangents are equal. From A point there are two tangents, AS and AP. So can I write AP is equal to AS? And from B point we will notice there are two tangents, BP and BQ. So I will write BP is equal to BQ. Now my dear kids, if I number these equations as 1, 2, 3, 4 and I say to add all the four equations, I will get left hand side added DR plus CR plus BP plus AP will be equal to right hand side added, that is DS plus CQ plus AS plus BQ. Now if you will see, you have to just regroup and rearrange. You will see that DR and RC or CR are DC and BP plus BP plus AP is equal to AB and DS plus AS, I will just rearrange. I'll take DS with AS and I will get AD. And what about CQ and BQ? I will get BC. Hence I have proved that DC plus AB is equal to AD plus BC. Okay? Let's start with next. We have in the figure, okay, here the figure is missing, so I'll draw it for you and it goes something like this. We have a circle, xy and x dash y dash are two parallel tangents to the circle. So I'll take this is xy and I'll take this is x dash y dash. Okay. Okay, are two parallel tangents to a circle with center O. And there's another tangent AB with point of contact C intersecting xy at A and x dash y dash at B. What does that mean? That I have a tangent from here and here it is putting it at A, intersecting at A. Here it is intersecting at B. To the circle, it is intersecting at C. Okay, perfect. Then it says you have to prove that AOB is equal to 90 degree. Okay, let's start. So I will join AOB here and I have to prove that this is 90 degree. For that, I will also join here from the center. I'll put a perpendicular from the center. This side also I'll put a perpendicular. Now I will also join OC. My dear kids, can I now take triangle PAO and triangle OAC? So if I take these two triangles, that is POA and COA, can I make them congruent? Yes. My reason number 1 is AP is equal to AC. Why? Because they are the external tangents or tangents from external point. So these are equal. Can I say OP is equal to OC? Yes, because they are the radius of same circle. Can I say OA is equal to OA? Yes. Why? Because this is a common side. Hence, can I say triangle POA is congruent to triangle COA by triple S test? Once I got this, can I say angle POA is equal to angle COA by CPCT? Once you got that, you can write in here. I'll just write in here, this is X and this is X. They both are equal now. Now my dear kids, the similar process which you have just done for these two triangles POA and COA, you have to follow for BOC and BOQ. The similar process, that is, you have to make them congruent, and by CPCT you have to take angle COB is equal to angle QOB. And you can put them as YY. Of course, you must have taken by CPCT. I have not shown you the two triangles how they are congruent, but the similar reason. First reason will be tangents from external point. Second reason will be common side. Third reason will be the radius, and hence you can make two triangles congruent. Once you got two triangles congruent, you can take two angles equal by CPCT. So my dear kids, you have noticed that I have taken 2x and 2y I got. Now can I write 2x plus 2y is equal to 180? Why? Because they are linear pair. You can take 2 common and it will be x plus y is equal to 180. Take 2 on your right hand side, you will get x plus y is equal to 90. Now my dear kids, did you notice your x plus y is nothing but it is AOB. So you got AOB as 90. So you can now write hence proved. Your next is prove that the angle between two tangents drawn from an external point. So I will draw a circle and I will draw tangents, two tangents from external point. Okay, this is your center. I'll try to join this. Maybe it will be needed. And then further it says you have to prove that the angle between two tangents, that means we are talking about this angle, and from an external point to a circle is supplementary to the angle subtended by the line segment joining the point of contact of the center. So point of contact, okay, they are talking about the central angle. So we are talking about the central angle. That means your question says that you have to prove that A, if I name this as A, this as P, this as B, and the center is O, you have to prove that APB plus angle AOB is equal to 180. Yes, my dear kids? Yes. Now in my previous session also, I have said you that this angle and this angle will be 90 because the radius and tangent makes up perpendicular to each other. Yes. Now if I join OP, okay, then shall we take, do you want me to take congruency, or else we can directly go for quadrilateral. Quadrilateral AOBP, in that we have angle A plus angle O plus angle B plus angle P is equal to 360. Out of that you have angle AS 90. You please write the full name. I am not writing the full name. And B also has 90. So in that case, I will get angle O plus angle P is equal to 360 minus 180, that is 180. Is that clear? Next is you have to prove that a parallelogram circumscribing a circle is a rhombus. So if I draw a circle and outside it if I draw a rhombus, so these are the touching points. Let's name it as A, B, C, D, and this is P, Q, R, S. So you have to prove that the parallelogram, this is the outside, it is given as a parallelogram. So I will write given is A, B, C, D is a parallelogram. It is given. And you have to prove that it is a rhombus. That means you have to make all sides equal. If the adjacent sides you can make equal, that means it will be a rhombus. Shall we start? Okay, if it is a parallelogram, you can say that opposite sides are equal. Okay, so I can write AB is equal to CD and AD is equal to BC. Okay, and we also know that external points से जो tangents आए हैं, those will be equal. So can I write from the figure? From the figure we can make it out that dr is equal to ds, tangents from external point. Cr is equal to cq, tangents from external point. BP is equal to BQ and AP is equal to AS. Now again if I add these all, so I will get left hand side added together. dr plus Cr plus BP plus AP will be equal to ds plus CQ plus BQ plus AS. Now you have to regroup and you will notice that dr plus Cr will give you DC, BP plus AP will give you AB, DC plus CQ, no, I will go for DS. DS plus AS I will take, that will be AD, and the remaining CQ I will take with BQ, so I will get BC. So I got DC plus AB is equal to AD plus BC. Now my dear kids, I know very well DC is equal to AB. So instead of DC I can write AB. So AB plus AB will be 2AB. And on the right hand side, instead of your AD, can I write BC? Because AD and BC are equal, opposite sides of a parallelogram. So that will be 2BC. So 2 cut, hence we will say that AB is equal to BC. And once you have proved that the adjacent sides are equal, you can say that it satisfies the property of a rhombus. Hence it is a rhombus. In our next we have a triangle is drawn to circumscribe a circle. एक circle के ऊपर हमने एक triangle बनाया है. So मैंने पहले triangle बना दिया, फिर circle बना दिया. आप पहले circle बनाओ, फिर triangle बनाओ. Okay, then it says of radius 4. Okay, the radius is 4. So if I join this will be 4. Such that the segment BD and DC, so this is A, B, C, and this is D. Such that BD and DC, into which BC is divided by the point of contact D, are of length 8 and 6. So this is your 8, this is your 6. Okay, now you have to find AB, you have to find AB and AC. Shall we begin? Okay. Okay, shall we join? This is a center. I'll prefer joining these all. So I'll name this as O. I will join OC, OA, OB, and I will draw perpendicular here, and this is the perpendicular. Shall we start? Now, if my dear kids, BD is 8, can I say FB is also 8? Because from B points, these are the tangents coming up. So, these external points se jo bhi tangents aate hain, those are equal. If this is 6, CE will also be 6. Yes, my dear kids. But we do not know about AE and AF. So, I'll put it as X. So, I have put it as X. Now, I will take in triangle ABE. Can you see ABE? Yes, this is ABE. Okay, in triangle ABE, if we go, can we say AE? ABE. You want to go for bigger triangle. ABE. This triangle. Now in this triangle, if you want, what you can do is first take the Pythagoras of this. That is जो छोटा सा triangle है, आप notice करोगे यहाँ पे 8 दिया हुआ है BD and OD आपको 4 दिया हुआ है. From there you can get this, that is OB. Yes, once you get with OB, now because this is a circle, everywhere the radius will be same, so OE will be 4. So once you got OB, you will add with OE and you will get BE. Yes, my dear kids. और OB कहाँ से मिला था? पाइथागोरस से, इस छोटे से ट्रायंगल में. Okay. Once you got BE, now what you can do? You can apply same Pythagoras into your in triangle ABE. You can go for AB square is equal to AE square plus BE square. In that you have AB as x plus 8 the whole square. AE you have x square and BE आप जब पाइथागोरस से फाइंड करोगे, आई गेस तुम्हारा BE जो भी आपका BE का वैल्यू आएगा, BO का वैल्यू आएगा, वो आपको 4 के साथ ऐड करना है. सो दैट वैल्यू प्लस 4 you will add and you will get BE. And that BE you have to here add up and uska square. So you will get a nice, I guess, quadratic equation. You will get it and then you will solve it. From there you have to find the value of x. Okay, dear kids, you will give a try. So give a try. You can take this ODB छोटा सा triangle, उसमें पाइथागोरस कर दो, OB की वैल्यू फाइंड कर दो, OB की वैल्यू OE के साथ ऐड कर दो, और अब AEB ट्रायंगल, आई विल मार्क दिस एज येलो, इस ट्रायंगल में आपको पाइथागोरस अप्लाई करना है. फिर एक क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन आएगा. फ्रॉम देयर गेट द वैल्यू ऑफ एक्स. वंस यू गॉट द वैल्यू ऑफ एक्स, आप क्या करोगे? ए बी फाइंड करना है तो 8 के साथ ऐड कर दो एक्स को, यू विल गेट ए बी. ए सी फाइंड करना है तो ई सी के साथ ऐड कर दो एक्स को, यू विल गेट ए सी. क्लियर?